back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a couple of products that I picked up from Bella Voste. So basically I'm just trying to show my collection to you guys. सबसे पहले मैंने इनकी लिपस्टिक्स डिस्कवर की थी. I know it has been there for a while, but I just thought of trying it because मुझे अल्ट्रा मैट लिपस्टिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And I heard about this brand and I got to know कि ये India made है. So I definitely instantly I was gravitated towards it and I picked up a bunch of their lipsticks. So I have 8 of their ultra matte lipsticks and one makeup remover from them and one kajal that I picked from them. So I'm gonna talk about each of these products. मैं आपको lipstick के swatches भी दिखाऊंगी and you will get an idea of how it looks on somebody who has skin tone similar to mine. By the way, I'm NC42 in MAC और Maybelline में I'm somewhere around 330, 332. Depends. Season wise मेरे skin का color काफ़ी ज़्यादा change होता रहता है, but those two are the shades that I basically oscillate between. तो let's talk about their ultra matte lipsticks first. So I picked up, as I said, I picked up 8 of their products and 8 of their it's not even ultra matte. I'm saying, you know, ultra matte. शायद इसलिए भी मेरे दिमाग में बार-बार आता है because ColourPop ultra matte lipsticks were the first ever matte lipsticks that got me crazy about matte liquid lipsticks. So, but this is ulti matte liquid lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. Outer cardboard box में आती है, ये silverish type का box होता है and it has about 3.7 milliliter of product. These retail for $2.99, but there are a couple of offers that go on Purple and you know you could get it for cheaper. I think जब मैंने लिया था तो I used Jyoti Sethi. She's one of my favorite YouTuber और उनका मैंने discount code use करके I've bought it. तो मुझे 40% और ऑफ पे मिला था. सो आई पिक्ड अप अ बंच ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स और ये बहुत दिन से आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर देम. मतलब मैंने ये लॉकडाउन से पहले ऑर्डर किया था एंड देन इट जस्ट वेंट लाइक 3 महीने तक आई थिंक आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर देम एंड फाइनली आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन इट. So yeah, talking about the lipsticks, sorry, I tend to lose focus very quickly. So this is what the outer packaging looks like and then इसके अंदर ऐसा सा एक lipstick आपको मिलता है. Very basic packaging, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy about it. तो ये basic plastic tube है, उसके ऊपर liquid lipstick है और इनका एक ये बहुत sturdy सा 2 foot applicator है. So you have a very, you know, you could have a better precision, a better control when you're applying lipstick. These are very matte, as I said. अल्टी मैट हैं तो एक्चुअली काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैट हैं. ऐसा नहीं लगता इनको लगा के दैट यू नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग. दे डेफिनेटली फील अ लिटिल हैवी ऑन द लिप्स फॉर श्योर, बट I mean I kind of have a feeling that they have very similar formula compared to the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks. I'm giving it a try. I'm trying both of these lipsticks simultaneously and let me know if you guys are interested to know more about it. If you want me to do like a comparison video of the two, क्योंकि even though इसका formula sugar liquid lipstick से बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता जुलता है, they are like half the price of those ones. So you know, I definitely think this is a better pick. अगर दोनों का formula, you know, I'm literally in the process of just comparing both of them, and you know, let me know if you're interested to know what my findings were, and I can create a video on that as well. So let's talk about the colors that I have and the colors and how they look on my skin tone. So पहली चीज़, let me talk about each of these products first and then फिर swatches पे बाद में जाएंगे. So I have, as I said, 8 of their ulti matte liquid lipsticks. They have 18 shades of those, पर मैंने वो कलर्स ही पिक किए जो मुझे लगा मैं ज़्यादा मतलब वेयर करूँगी या फिर you know not those. They have a few very neon kind of lilac, in your face kind of purple color as well. I mean I saw and you know like a Nicki Minaj kind of a nude color as well, but I didn't pick those colors up because मुझे पता था कि मैं वो कभी you know I barely would ever wear them. So I picked up these and they're pretty good. सो दैट इज़ अबाउट द लिपस्टिक्स. फॉर्मूला जैसे मैंने कहा, दे आर डेफिनेटली ड्राइंग, वेरी ड्राइंग एक्चुअली. आपको डेफिनेटली वो टगिंग एंड पुलिंग फील होगी. When I swatched them over my hand, they lasted me for a very long time. Honestly, मैं हाथ पे ऐसे swatch करके देख रही थी, and I remember since I wasn't like thoroughly washing it, या नहाने में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा उसको rub नहीं किया या कुछ नहीं किया, so I could still see the swatch of these lipsticks. So definitely very long lasting. लेकिन since the formula is very dry, होता क्या है, ये अंदर से crumble करने लग जाती है, and the more you talk, the more you eat, the more you wear them for a long time, ये अंदर से they start disappearing, which is not, which is it's a very tacky look honestly. काफ़ी crumbly भी feel होती है फिर ये lips पे, so that's not a good thing though. लेकिन as far as the colors are concerned, and if you're just going out for some time, you want to wear it, you definitely can. Honestly, I picked these products up for the color payoff and the kind of shades they have. Definitely you have similar shades in Sugar Cosmetics, but this is way cheaper. So I'm gonna come back, show you what the colors I picked, and what I'm wearing on my lips right now is again a combination, क्योंकि मुझे लिपस्टिक्स को combination करना, उनको mix and match करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So the combination that I'm wearing today is this shade Dark Fawn. This is number 13, and I mixed it up with what is the shade? Wild Child. Yeah, those are the two colors that I mixed to get the color that I have on my lips right now. So I will come back to the swatches of that really quickly. उसके बाद I picked up this Kajal pencil from them. I think this retailed for $2.99 or $1.99. I'm not even sure of the price, but I'll link it down in the description box below. Basic काजल है ये. 24 hour they claim that it lasts you. कलर आप देख सकते हो इज़ वेरी पिगमेंटेड. आई विल गिव इट सम टाइम टू ड्राई अ लिटिल बिट, एंड फिर हम देखते हैं कि कितना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. पर डेफिनेटली आइज पे बहुत स्मूथली ग्लाइड होता है. इट्स वेरी इजी टू यूज़, एंड आई लाइक द फैक्ट दैट इट स्टेज ऑन फॉर अ लिटिल वाइल. मैंने जब इसको व्हेन आई वाज वेयरिंग इट लास्टेड मी फॉर क्वाइट अ बिट. और वेरी ऑनेस्टली मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली वाटर लाइन नहीं है, तो मेरे साथ ये वाला इशू नहीं होता दैट माई काजल इज़ लाइक स्प्रेडिंग ऑल ओवर या फैल के यहाँ तक आ गया है. थैंकफुली ऑल दो क्रीजिंग एंड ये सब चीज़ें नहीं होती मेरे काजल में. सो आई एम लकी. बट इफ़ यू आर somebody who has a little bit of oily lower waterline, then I would recommend wearing this kajal and then topping it up with a little bit of talc. Uske baad I picked up this product which is Aqua Makeup Remover. I have heard very good reviews about it. It's very inexpensive. I think ये भी कुछ $1.99 $2.99 के range का ही था, and that is why I picked this guy up. The con that I found with this is that it has a very strong smell. तो मतलब I mean barring the smell, I think this is pretty good. इसके अलावा it is very good for delicate skin. It is rich in oxidants and is suitable for all skin types. सबसे अच्छी बात इसकी ये मुझे लग रही है that they are Indian made products, they are cruelty free and they are good quality. So definitely worth checking out. और ये तो हम मतलब literally we can demo it right now. I will be swatching the other lipsticks on my lip, तो हम test कर सकते हैं how good this product is. So without further ado, let's get into the swatches. ये लिपस्टिक स्वॉच वीडियो स्पेशली मैट लिपस्टिक्स के आर सच अ टास्क. मतलब वी लुक एट इट, एवरीबडी इन्जॉय स्वॉच वीडियोज. आई नो आई डू, मैं बिंज वॉच करती हूँ उनको बहुत ज़्यादा, बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट यू गाइज. हालत ख़राब हो जाती है लिप्स की, बट टोटली वर्थ इट. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई हैड दिस नैपकिन और इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट स्क्वर्ट किया. इट्स ऑल वेट नाउ, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना डैब इट. और आप देख रहे हो ये काफ़ी, आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी, काफ़ी क्रम्बली तरीके से निकलती है ये. सो डेफिनेटली टेल्स अ लॉट अबाउट द फॉर्मूला, और इसीलिए ये इतनी ज़्यादा ड्राइंग भी है. बट ऑनेस्टली आई लाइक द फैक्ट कि ये इट्स नॉट ब्लीडिंग, कि लिपस्टिक छुटा के पूरे मेरे माउथ पे या पूरा आसपास नहीं बह रही है. दैट्स ग्रेट. बट हाँ, थोड़ा है क्रम्बली. The first color that I'm swatching on my lips now is this shade number 16, Rose Plum. It's a very pretty rosy pink kind of color, and I love how it looks on my skin tone. So let me quickly apply it. So this is the shade Rose Plum. I think थोड़ा सा ये कलर मुझे हल्का सा वॉश आउट करता है. I would prefer wearing it with a lip liner instead. और दूसरा मुझे लगता है थोड़ा मेरे मेकअप के साथ नहीं जा रहा है, but otherwise it's a very pretty color. I honestly I'm a fan of this color actually. I'm not sure कि ये कैमरे पे उतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं लग रहा, but it's a very very pretty color. The next color that I'm going to be swatching is number 13, Dark Fawn, and this is one of my favorite nude shades. So this is what this color looks like. I think it looks very pretty. बहुत अच्छा सा fawn, brick red, peachish brown kind of nude है, and I love it. It's very pretty. And if I swatch it on my hand, तो ये जो second color है, this is this color, Dark Fawn, number 13. Next up I have this shade Cinnamon 04. This is a little darker pink and nude kind of color. Very pretty again, looks beautiful. और स्पेशली जो डस्की टोन होती है ना, तो उसमें कलर्स लाइक दिस विच हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइक टिंट ऑफ पर्पल इन इट, kind of berry colors look very pretty, and I think this color is no different. It looks very pretty. And on my hand, if I show you, this is what this looks swatched next to Rose Plum. I think I really like it. अगर मैं आपको टिश्यू पे दिखाऊं कि ये कैसे हट रहा है, तो यू कैन सी हाउ क्रम्बली इट इज़, बट नेवरदलेस इट्स लाइक दिस मेकअप रिमूवर इज़ रियली गुड. अब देख रहे हो कितना मतलब ईजीली. सी दैट्स इट. बहुत 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 इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ मैं. आई एम लाइक रियली इम्प्रेस्ड विद दिस with the makeup remover. लास्ट टाइम when I was doing sugar lipsticks के swatches, मेरे lips की जान निकल गई थी to swatch them on my lips back to back. but so far I don't feel the same pain. And I kind of feel इसका जो formula है that is different from the rest of the lipsticks. अगर आप पास से देखो तो this is not able to like completely cover my lips in the way कि बहुत ज़्यादा full coverage type of finish नहीं है इसका for some reason. That being said, it doesn't really feel like anything on the lips too. So the good thing about this lipstick is कि आपने पहना हुआ है but you still can't feel that you're wearing like a lipstick. But on the other hand, इसका color payoff उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है compared to the rest of the lipstick that I just watched. And did I tell you the color of this? This is Wild Child 06. A very nice brick red orange kind of color. This is what it looks. Watch on my hand. Next up, I have this color Naked 03. Liquid lipstick. और इसका फॉर्मूला भी if I compare to other lipsticks थोड़ा सा अलग है. I like the color. I would probably wear it with a lip liner या किसी और लिपस्टिक के साथ मिक्स करके. But nevertheless, it's a very pretty terracotta kind of a color. I really like it. But I think it needs a little bit of mixing with another like dark color for me, as per my preference. If you want to go wear just this, you definitely can. It's a pretty color. Next up, the color that I'm going to be swatching is Punk Red. This is a very like bright blue red kind of color. I think I went a little overboard with overlining my lips and there is like no path of return now. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा, I don't usually overline my lips this much. But this color kind of reminds me of Missy and Fierce from Wet n Wild. It's a blue toned red. Formula of this one is different too. It doesn't feel like anything on the lips. और हाँ, all of these lipsticks are absolutely transfer proof. See, nothing. So Punk Red, and let me swatch it next to the other red shade that I tried before, so you guys can compare. This one is a little more like bluish red compared to the other one, which is more like a orange kind of red. Next up, I have Gothy Plum. This is a very pretty purple, bright purple kind of color. Okay, so this looks pretty good. अभी recently मेरा ColourPop zipper जो पर्पल कलर है, which is my absolute favorite, all time favorite, वो ख़त्म हुआ है. तो I was like grieving for it for a long time क्योंकि I think I had that lipstick for a very long time और वो अब जाके ख़त्म हो गया था. तो I don't know when I will be able to order, फिर कभी आएगा international shipping में. So but now I don't think I need it at all. This color looks exactly not exactly, very similar to that color, and I really like it on me. What do you think? Last but not the least, I have this color Sweet Clay. It's again a nude color, and let me just So that's it, you guys. Those are all the lip colors of Bella Versace that I picked up for their Ultimate liquid lipstick. And hope you found this helpful. If you are somebody which has a skin tone similar to mine, I think this will give you a very good reference point to understand which colors you're gonna pick. The colors that I did not pick from the collection, they were a little too neon or too light for my skin tone, and that's why I didn't pick them. But ये सारे colors are like really good. Let me know in the comments below which one did you like the best on me. I think I like this one better, but I really also like Dark Fawn. So yeah, I hope this mini review of the products that I use was helpful. And if you like the content or the videos that I make, do not forget to like this video and let me know in the comments below what more you'd like to see. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And follow me on Instagram. My handle is Mayuri Sinha Official, just like my channel name on YouTube. And till then, stay home, stay safe.